What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Clover, which have pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours and especially over the last week, as you guys can see with the crypto pump. So what is next for the crypto? Is it likely to pump up higher? Is it likely to crash back down in value? And essentially looking at its short-term and long-term prediction going into 2024. Is there crypto to buy? Is there crypto to sell? Or is there crypto to be holding on to? And covering both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, Clover is still trading in the red zone and hasn't much major movements like most of the cryptocurrencies. So it's still in the red zone and in the lower part as well. So can it break out into the green zone, hitting about 8-10 cents, or is it going to stay in the red zone? We'll have a look at that very shortly, but for now I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Clover, which is here in purple at 3 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the purple line, sorry, not the purple line, the orange line and the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Clover over the next 12 to 14 hours according to the graph. However, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase. So it is trading at 3 cents right now. I'm expecting it to head over the 4 cents target towards the end of the day today, and potentially slightly higher than 4 cents in the early hours of tomorrow. But for now, it is likely to hit a few more red candles, dropping down to around 0.035 before it bounces back up, heading over the 4 cents target is what my predictions are at the moment. However, do expect quite of a wave in between. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So we are looking a little bit more skeptical. We've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what we have here is the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Clover over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially over the next week, not this week, the weekend after, the crypto should be hovering around its current price range, which I do not believe. I'm predicting it to trade at a much higher value, getting closer to 0.045 cents in value is what I'm expecting Clover to be heading towards by the end of next week. However, there will be days, and right now you may not see it, but the crypto market is going through a minimal drop in value. As you guys can see, Bitcoin did drop to $88,000 yesterday or earlier this morning from $92,000. So that's taken a little bit of a step back in value, and I'm expecting most cryptocurrencies to go through a little bit of a dip before they bounce back up. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer or over $95,000 in the second half of November, which is basically right now, over the next week or so, and that should have a major positive impact on the crypto market, which means Clover is also likely to head up to around 0.045 by the end of next week, but also likely to hit a few red days in between. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're talking, guys, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected or predicted from Clover over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So end of December, early January 2025, I'm expecting Clover to be getting closer to the 6 cents target is what my expectations are or predictions are. However, if you guys want regular updates on Clover, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my predictions on the crypto. However, at the moment, I'm expecting it to head closer to the 6 cents target towards the very end of this year, and I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to the $100,000 mark in December. And yeah, once it hits that, the crypto market will literally go crazy, guys. But yeah, this is my prediction at the moment on Clover. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So we are trading in the red zone, as you guys can see, and the 6 cents target is literally just about above the resistance level, which I'm expecting it to hit in December, and it should slowly start to head upwards into the resistance level and break out of the resistance in the second half of December is what my predictions are. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a crazy number, 1000% up in the last 24 hours, making it $83 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now with both buyers and sellers. And the value of Clover has also gone up 23% in the last 24 hours, making it trade just above 0.0377 cents. In the last week, 32%, not as much as majority of the cryptocurrencies, because even Bitcoin has done way more than 32%, and a lot of cryptocurrencies have done huge increases over the last week or so with the crypto pump. But Clover is still up, but not as much as most cryptos. So this is my take and my prediction on Clover, guys. Is this crypto likely to break out in 2025? Yes and no. What I mean by that is I'm expecting it to hit around 10 cents in 2025. However, I wouldn't say that is a breakout, because if you compare it to other cryptocurrencies, they have already broken out and they're likely to break out in 2025 as well. However, Clover is not a crypto that I'm expecting to hit huge numbers. However, 10 cents is a 300% increase around that target from where it is at the moment, which is quite fair enough. But again, you know, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there that could do way better than Clover for the rest of this year as well as 2025. So let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.